Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on picture, in picture here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, you come here to start automatically. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.